Want to share a photo that has people in the background, but also want to respect their privacy? Signal can help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to blur faces in photos with the Signal app. Now let's get started. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download the Signal app for free from the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android devices. To blur faces in a photo, open the Signal app and tap the camera icon at the top. Then you can snap a new photo or tap the photo icon in the bottom left corner to upload one from your device. Then tap the blur icon at the top. Tap the switch at the bottom to automatically detect and blur faces. If you only want to blur certain faces, you can keep the blur faces switch off and simply draw with your finger over the faces of people you'd like to blur out. When you're done blurring, tap the checkmark at the top to save your changes. From there, you can send the photo using Signal or tap the Save button in the top right corner to save it to your device's camera roll. That's all it takes to blur faces in photos with Signal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.